I'm doing my project on the Andromeda constellation. To find this constellation, you're best to start in late September to the beginning of October from the northern hemisphere. Andromeda will be directly overhead. At around midnight, look for the M or the W. If you look right and downwards, that position of the constellation Andromeda. If you locate the kite shape, Pegasus. Andromeda is connected to that, to the star located to the left side of the kite. Andromeda is described as two streams of stars. There are quite a few stars in this constellation. The first I am going to go over is the Almach. Hope I got that right. Means desert wildcat, where the Gamma Andromedae is actually a double star and is this constellation's third brightest star. It is a multiple star system and can be found some 350 light years away with a magnitude of 2.26. There's one blue star and one yellow star. They call the Gamma 1 and Gamma 2. Gamma 1 is the spectral class K giant with a temperature of 4,500 degrees and 355 light years away. This star is 2,000 times more bright than the sun itself, but the star is dying out. Gamma number 2 is a blue-greenish star, Main sequencing star, blue with a temp of 10,000. The system's a yellow star lies close to its dimmer, which is a blue star. This star is a yellow, sometimes orange color, and you'll probably also see a secondary blue color. The radial velocity is negative 11.7 plus or minus 0.9. The next one is Merak, which is a beta Andromedae. Hope I said that right too. Magnitude varies between plus 2.01 and plus 2.10. It's classified as a semi-regular variable star. Merak is a cool red class M giant, about 200 light years away. It's 3 or 4 times bigger than the sun, and it's a lot brighter. Part of an asterism called the Girdle, which is also the Arabic name, located 7 arc minutes from the galaxy NGC 404. My fourth star located in the northeastern. It's located in the northeastern angle, and it's called Aphtras. Connects the constellation Andromeda, right here, to the constellation Pegasus, also known as Sura, 97 light years away from the Earth. It is a binary star with a magnitude of 2 plus 2.06. It's a hot blue star known as B8 subgiant. Now we go on to the deep space objects. The M110 Andromeda Galaxy, which is located right here. M110 is located right here. M32 is located right here. Here's a closer look at the deep space objects. M110 is an elliptical galaxy, which means it's a smooth and nearly featureless structure. Elliptical galaxies do not have arcs or region of star formation. They are often considered dead compared to spiral galaxies, and the stars in elliptical galaxies are often older than in other galaxies. There is evidence that a population of young blue stars do exist at the center of M110. This small elliptical galaxy has approximately 10 billion stars, as well as at least 8 globular clusters, which are the brightest of which can be seen with a large telescope. The next is the Andromeda Galaxy, which is also known as M31 or NGC 224. This is a spiral galaxy. M31 is located 8 degrees to the northwest of the middle star, Merak. Then we go to M32, which is another dwarf galaxy, which contains about 3 billion solar masses and has a visual magnitude of 8.1. This is one of the 2 small satellite galaxies of M31 and is an elliptical dwarf galaxy. To locate M32, locate M32, I don't know what that just did, but all right, here we go. To locate M32 in the Andromeda Galaxy, look on the opposite side of M33, looking towards the galaxy's south end. We rate a star's brightness with magnitudes, and this is what we also use to locate M31. Using 3 of the 7th magnitude stars off the south end of the galaxy, we go to the one farthest north, which will point to straight to a fuzzy star, M32. The mythology behind this right here is Andromeda Galaxy. She's a princess, and these are her chains that tied her to a rock. The story goes, a sea monster let loose. Her family made her a sacrifice and tied her to a rock. And her husband, who's located right here, actually, rescued her, saving her by killing the sea monster with Medusa's head as one possible way he killed the sea monster, turning the monster to stone. This is Perseus. And right here is Princess Andromeda's father, who's a king, and her mother, queen. My questions? What letter do you first look for directly overhead to find the Andromeda Galaxy? Number 2, what star or stars mean the desert wildcat? Number 3, what type of galaxy is often considered dead?